Simple Face ID repair method. Open the Face ID page. Operate no reaction. Take out the original dot matrix flex cable. Install the original dot matrix flex cable on the Face ID repair board on i2C programmer. Click Detection Remained Fused. Click Switch to read all remained abnormal. Remained fused here. Then switch to click Activate the original dot matrix flex cable. After activate succeed, connect the i2C flex cable with the original dot matrix on the board. Click Detection first, all normal, then click Write to write data. After write successful, install the i2C Face ID repair flex cable with the original dot matrix to the phone. Check the Face ID function. All good. Repair succeed.